Welcome to Animeasy, a new YouTube channel. On this channel, we are going to teach you how to animate using Pivot Animator and other software that we are going to show you later. And also, we are going to teach you how to code and make fun games using simple coding languages like Scratch. And stay tuned for other videos as well, since we are also going to post exclusive gaming videos, crafts, and blogs. So without further ado, let's begin with the installation and setup of Pivot Animator. Now, what is Pivot Animator, you may ask? Well, this Pivot Animator is a software that will help you to create animations using stick figures and 2D sprites. So let us begin with the installation and setup of Pivot Animator. For this, we have to go to google.co.in. If you don't use Google Chrome as your primary web browser, then you can go to Microsoft Edge, Yahoo, or Internet Explorer, or whichever browser you use. There are countless ones. You just have to type in google.co.in in the URL, and it will take you to the Google search. Now, since I already have Google Chrome and I use it as my primary web browser, I'm going to go there. But you might be wondering, I already have Pivot Animator. Why will I install it again? Well, the answer is, since I've got to show you guys how to do it, I'm going to do it just for you guys so that you can learn how to install Pivot Animator. Now let's go to google.com. Now here we are in the Google search screen. Now first of all, we have to type in Pivot Animator download. This is the precise thing that you have to type to get the Pivot Animator download as the very first result. Now let's go there. So here, this is the thing to click on. Download Pivot Animator on top. This is the official website of Pivot Animator, and you can download the best from here. So let's click here. Now visit the website of Animator and click on the download menu. Click download to see that there are two boxes. One says Pivot Animator 2.2.7. I'm going to download. Pivot Animator is the popular version of software. It doesn't have many of the features of Animator 4, but it is included here for those who are more familiar with the original version. If you would like to download Pivot Animator 2.2.7, click this link. We don't want this link. This is the link of which is really stable. I've seen. So that as well, I downloaded the new version. So we are going to be downloading the Pivot Animator 4.2.8 stable version, updated on 1st February 2020. Pivot Animator lists new and improved of the Pivot and software. I will be able to explain the feature how to use them. If you would like to download Pivot Animator 4, then click this. This is what we want. So let's click this. I can see in my downloads, but Pivot Animator is getting downloaded. Yes, so it is installed. Now it should be downloaded. I'm going to folder. So we're going to be running. Now this is the part which needs great attention. Okay. Let us press enter. show the installing process. But once you do install this and run it on your computer, then I'm going to minimize these and you're going to get the icon on your desktop. You also get this same one in the newly added group in the start menu. And this is the actual Pivot Animator 4.2, the stable version. So just click on it, check it out. Or if you're really lucky, then with your animator, some files with pre-made figures and pre-made animations will be there. So that will be really nice. And yes, this is the private animator. But another thing is, so I just make a very simple animation. I'm making it now. With the next video, the how to start using an animator series, that is to start animations. For now, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about Sdk files, the default Pivot Animator save files. So suppose I have created an animation here and I'm trying to save it. So when we click on save animation as, then it is going to be saved with an extension .sdk. So I'm going to show you an example from the file explorer itself. Here's animations from the animator folder that will get downloaded, as I said. So look at this. .piv is often there, .stk is often there, but the figures that you're going to create will always be .stk. Animations, events. Normally in the old it would be .stk, but the new version, you see that they have changed the extension .piv. So when you open one of these, let's when you run, for example, the most overrated animation. So yes, this is the animation we did. Is this, but I can also turn it into a GIF video, but also you'll have to wait for that. But the PFP files are all about the default, the SDK files are the figures. And yes, you can create your own figures. You just don't work with stick figures, stick cubes only. For example, I'm going to show you one here called Revenge.tv. It's a pretty funny one to show you. So horse and the cowboys. So you can actually create these. And this came with the private animator. I also created one myself. It's called a really cool effect at the beginning. So you're going to play it once. I'm going to deactivate loop. As you can see, it fits in nicely. It has a really nice look, and I can to it to learn how to do this. So this is the default, and that is the dot I created. Yeah, it turns. This was one of my first animations. Yes, and you can make bigger do that. That is one of the best things. String, waggle, moving your hands. So this is actually a pretty animation since it actually means that the dog is not living, just faded away. It's just a memory. And unfortunately, we have to end this video since we can't make really long videos, right? So today we learned how to install Pivot Animator. We also learned about Sdk and PIV files. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found it useful and liked the video, please like our video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have Have a time. Bye.